Hey there, I'm Doug Gillespie from Hydropool Hot Tubs and Swim Spas. In this video, we're going to take an in-depth look at the Hydropool Signature 455 Platinum. We're going to discuss who this hot tub is for, whether it's right for you, the features, we're even going to get into some pricing. By the end, hopefully you have a great sense of whether this hot tub is right for you. Let's first discuss who this hot tub is for. The Hydropool Signature 455 Platinum is a true four-person hot tub that is designed for a couple that values an elite massage. It has an industry-leading wellness experience and the least amount of maintenance in the industry. One of the only true four-person hot tubs, this hot tub is built for optimal lounging with two unique loungers. It also has two secondary seats. This hot tub, in fact, has a special seat designed for people who are 5'8" or smaller. We call it our S-shaped immersion lounger. And essentially, it's kind of like an Adirondack chair or a lazy boy chair that kind of encapsulates a shorter person with a fantastic massage. It's also a great hot tub for people who work on their feet. The reason being is it has fantastic foot massage in almost every single seat. It's also a perfect hot tub for small backyards or smaller families. This hot tub has superior jets and power for anyone looking for an elite level massage experience. Let's talk about who this hot tub is not for. This hot tub only fits 4 people, so it's not a good fit for people who are looking to entertain or if you have a large number of people in the family. It would be better to look at one of our 6 to 7 person hot tubs for more footwell space and more seating. This is our top of the line hot tub in this size, so it might not be the best for budget conscious buyers. For people who are more on a budget, look at our Serenity 4500 or just look at our 579 Gold. If you want more shoulder massage, myself, I would go to the Signature 579. Here are some features that set this model apart. The 455 is 80 inches or 203 centimeters square. It has 2 seats and 2 loungers. It is great for small spaces and makes it easy to tuck it away with a smaller footprint. The S-shaped immersion lounger provides for an elite lounging experience for anyone from 5 foot to about 5'8". The reason for that, it's a lounger that allows for the shorter person to sit and enjoy a fantastic massage. We don't skimp on the number of jets in that seat. The lounger, or the longer lounger, is perfect for anyone under 6'2", with lots of foot room, lots of leg massage, and a fantastic back massage as well. As far as getting in and out of the hot tub, we've got easy steps that allow for easy intro for any children or grandparents. With 40 jets and 2 pumps moving the water through the jets, the 455 provides an elite level massage. Signature is our top of the line hot tub collection. Every hot tub comes with the following class leading features. Every Signature hot tub comes with the ability to personalize your massage or fine-tune it exactly the way you want it. And because they're built in Canada, each of them are designed to handle our Canadian winters. Most importantly though, our Signature line comes with our patented self-cleaning system, which is the easiest hot tub in the world to maintain. There are 2 series in this model. There's a Gold series for anyone who's looking for a great massage, but who's also budget conscious, while the Platinum series has more jets and more pumps for that more elite level massage. With regards to pricing, our 455 Platinum starts around $17 and goes to between $18 to $18.5, which is around the price of our 655 Platinum or our 579 Platinum. If you'd like to know more about the Signature 455 Platinum, be sure to visit one of our local retailers today or check us out online. I'm Doug Gillespie from Hydropool Hot Tubs and Swim Spas. The water is calm.